No way it's going for that. I think I want to get back. If it goes for that, it's gonna jump, pretty much. Keep pushing as far back as I can. Oh my god. I'm surprised it didn't. I've never seen it spin it. Jesus, I've never seen it do a spin like that. It's normally really fussy. Normally really fussy. Could be because that washing basket on it, the stuff in that's really heavy. So that's probably holding it down too, which is a great help for my machines. Thankfully it didn't sit up or anything. Yeah. See, you can't hear the bearings at all while it's on spin, so you can only sometimes hear them a wee bit. Nah, that's a spin cancelled. Lovely. I'll probably do that for all the spins, it would not surprise me one bit. Yeah, that's it cancelled. Lovely.